Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're looking here at Rzlv stock. This one you can see today is actually having a relatively neutral day. This could be a very interesting point. I'll be explaining why over the course of today's video. If it sounds good, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, I'd like to remember this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. A few things standing out to me here with this stock. Well, of course, you can see from the lows that we saw right around the 10th, we are seeing a little bit of a recovery, actually quite the recovery to be honest. And this brings us up to a few interesting levels, both to the upside and the downside. Most notably, we are breaking through levels that we've had difficulty at in the past, about 560 I should say. We've seen difficulty here, also 565, same thing in the past over here too. Now levels that we are looking at could potentially be right around the 575 mark. You see a little bit in there in the past too. This could potentially be something which matters, but really what we're seeing now is this stock obviously falling quite a bit, quite a lot actually, and again seemingly finding a new level of support. We are finding a support higher than what we saw at these lows back on the 30th of September. This is a very interesting thing to watch. Now with this sharp candle towards the end of the day, most notably, we want to see whether these levels are able to actually continue to hold. I'm looking at 540 for a potential strong point. Below that, I am looking for levels such as 520, and I'm also looking for 510. Now, these may seem a little bit far to the downside from where we are now, but of course, things with this stock have been moving very quickly in the past couple of weeks. And I want to say, guys, yes, this is a great couple of days. Things, of course, are looking a lot better, but it would be a little bit forward to necessarily think that the downtrend is over. Again, it depends on whether these key levels do hold up. Now, again, if you do break to the upside, I'm looking at levels such as 570, 575, potentially onto 585. From 585, I think things take us up to 595, and then we could potentially go on to $6 from there. But of course, that is a little bit to the early side, right? It's a little bit too early to necessarily say whether we are going to see these levels hold up. It's very much about seeing if we were able to find that consolidation to the low end at the moment, and of course that's something that we'll see play out over the next few days. Anyway, I'd love to hear your personal thoughts down below in the comments. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now, guys.